Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 7 Just Me. So this poem is very interesting and just me, as you know about the title Just Me. So ये पोइट अपने ही बारे में सोचते हैं अपनी पोएम Tom Cruise. So this poem is written by Tom Cruise. So when you will read this poem, what will you connect? What you will connect here? What are some of the things you like best yourself? So when you will read this poem, you come to know about yourself, what qualities you have, what drawbacks you have, and how you will improve it. And what will you reflect here? If you wanted to improve yourself, what would you want to change about yourself? अगर आप अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो what will you do? What are the steps to improve yourself? And imagine. So what will you imagine while reading this poem? What will you imagine? You were part of an exciting football match and you lost because of your teammates did not perform well. How would you react? So क्या इमेजिन करोगे आप कि आप किसी फुटबॉल टीम के पार्ट हो, फुटबॉल टीम के आप वहाँ पे फुटबॉल टीम में खेल रहे हो आप, बट यू लॉस्ट द मैच, लेकिन आप उसमें हार गए हो. सो हाउ यू विल फील एंड वट विल यू फील दैट टाइम? यू विल फील दैट योर टीममेट्स डिड नॉट परफॉर्म वेल और यू who did not perform well. So what will you think when you will face this situation? Okay, now we will read about the poet. Tom Cruise is internationally recognized as one of the greatest vocal artists today. So Tom Cruise is considered as a very famous artist and vocal artist. So music artist, he was good in music. He was equally successful in the fields of opera, recital and oratorio and recording. So he was successful in the musical instruments, opera, like recital, like this. And during a career spanning over 50 roles, Cruise had performed in most of the great opera house of the world. So during his career, he mostly spent his time in the opera career. Opera is a musical instrument. He was good in this instrument. So Just Me is a poem cum song, and we can sing this poem also because it is very interesting and it has rhyming scheme also, so we can sing it as a song. Tom was a great vocalist and wrote on issues that interested him. So Tom was a great vocalist. Vocalist means he was a singer, he was a fond of music. So he used to sing in his life and he wrote on issues that interesting him, or he wrote very interested issues, and he wrote in his poems very interesting issues and with an easy rhyme. Just Me has a sing song quality. So I told you earlier, Just Me is it has a sing song quality. It continues to be a popular poem among all readers of the age group. So this poem has a quality. All type of group read this poem. So let's start now poem.